Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Olabisi, your favorite Yoruba tutor. If this is your first time seeing my face, watching my video, kindly click the subscribe button and get subscribed. I promise you never regret doing so. You're going to learn Yoruba, learn everything about Yoruba, and also have fun while here. And to my subscribers, thank you very much for coming back. I love you. Thank you so much. So in this video, we'll be learning time frames in Yoruba language. I mean the days, weeks, months, year, seconds, hour, minutes, and so on in this video. So get seated and let's start learning. So let's start from the basic one. The days. Days ọjọ́ in Yoruba. Ọjọ́. So Monday to Sunday. Monday is ọjọ́ ajé. Ọjọ́ ajé. Tuesday ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun. Ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun. Wednesday ọjọ́rú. Ọjọ́rú. Thursday ọjọ́bọ̀. Ọjọ́bọ̀, or you say ọjọ́ àlàmísì. Ọjọ́ àlàmísì. Friday ọjọ́ ẹtì. Ọjọ́ ẹtì. Saturday ọjọ́ àbámẹ́ta. Ọjọ́ àbámẹ́ta. And Sunday ọjọ́ àìkú. Ọjọ́ àìkú. And so if you want to say I'm coming to your house tomorrow, mo máa wá sí ilé yín ní ọ̀la. Mo máa wá sí ilé ẹ ní ọ̀la. Ọ̀la. Tomorrow is ọ̀la. So if you want to say I came to your house yesterday, mo wá sí ilé ẹ ní àná. Àná. Yesterday is àná. Àná. Then if you want to say I'll be coming to Nigeria today, mo máa wá sí Nigeria ní òní. Today is òní. Òní. So if you want to say 2 days time, you say ọ̀túnla. Ọ̀túnla. For instance, will you be home in 2 days time? Ṣé o máa wà nílé ní ọ̀túnla? Will you be home in 2 days time? Ṣé o máa wà nílé ní ọ̀túnla? If you want to say 2 days ago, 2 days ago, for instance, I went to market 2 days ago. Mo lọ sí ọjà ní ìjẹta. Mo lọ sí ọjà ní ìjẹta. Ìjẹta is 2 days ago. So if let's say you are talking about 3 days ago, that is ìjẹrin. 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 For instance, I came to LA 3 days ago. Mo wá sí LA ní ìjẹrin. Mo wá sí LA ní ìjẹrin. So let's talk about weeks. So week itself is ọ̀sẹ̀. Ọ̀sẹ̀. So if you want to say first week, ọ̀sẹ̀ kíní. Ọ̀sẹ̀ kíní. Second week, ọ̀sẹ̀ kejì. Ọ̀sẹ̀ kejì. Third week, ọ̀sẹ̀ kẹta. Ọ̀sẹ̀ kẹta. Fourth week, ọ̀sẹ̀ kẹrin. Do not worry, this time around I'm going to make sure I upload a video about numbers from either 1 to 50 or 1 to 30 or so very soon. Do not worry. Anticipate it. And as well, there is a video already from 1 to 10 or so, or 1 to 20 on my channel or so. So check it out. So it's going to help as well. So you want to say last week. Ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá. Ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá. Last week is ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá. This week is ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí. Ọ̀sẹ̀ yìí. So if you want to say next week, ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀. Ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀. Tó ń bọ̀, that is coming. Next week that is coming is tó ń bọ̀. So ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀, next week. Or if you want to say 2 weeks time. Ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì sí ìsinyìí. Ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì sí ìsinyìí. Ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì sígbà tí a wà yìí. Ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì sígbà tí a wà yìí. So whichever way you find it easier to say, you can say that. So we'll say we have 4 weeks in a month. Ọ̀sẹ̀ mẹ́rin ló wà nínú oṣù. Ọ̀sẹ̀ mẹ́rin ló wà nínú oṣù. Oṣù is month. Oṣù, month. So I have names for months in Yoruba. If you have been following my YouTube shorts, you have watched it, you have learned it. But then let me just recap it here. So months in Yoruba language: January, Sere. February, Èrèlé. March, Ẹrẹ́nà. April, Igbe. May, Èbìbí. June, Ògùdù. July, Agẹmọ. August, Ògún. September, Ọ̀wẹ̀wẹ̀. October, Ọ̀wàrà. November, Bélú. December, Ọ̀pẹ. ọ̀pẹ. There's a particular song for it. Let me take it for you. So it will help, if you can learn this song, it will help you to quickly remember the month offhand. So here it goes. Sẹ̀rẹ̀ èrèlé ẹrẹ́nà, igbe èbìbí ògúdù, agẹmọ ògún ọ̀wẹ́wẹ́, ọ̀wàrà bélú ọ̀pẹ. Again, sẹ̀rẹ̀ èrèlé ẹrẹ́nà, igbe èbìbí ògúdù, agẹmọ ògún ọ̀wẹ́wẹ́, ọ̀wàrà bélú ọ̀pẹ. I'll go one more time. Sẹ̀rẹ̀ èrèlé ẹrẹ́nà, igbe èbìbí ògúdù, agẹmọ ògún ọ̀wẹ́wẹ́, ọ̀wàrà bélú ọ̀pẹ. So that's it. So now let's move to year. Year itself is ọdún. If you want to say we have 12 months in a year, a ní oṣù méjìlá nínú ọdún. A ní oṣù méjìlá nínú ọdún. Oṣù méjìlá ló wà nínú ọdún. There are 12 months in a year. Oṣù méjìlá ló wà nínú ọdún. If you want to say first year, ọdún kìíní, second year, ọdún kejì, third year, ọdún kẹta. If you want to mention, you just be adding ọdún, then be saying kẹta, kẹrin, karùn, kẹfà, and like that. So if you want to say 2 years time, ọdún méjì sísìnyí, ọdún méjì sísìnyí. I want to say ọmọ ọdún kan, that is a year old, ọmọ ọdún kan. 10 years, ọdún mẹ́wàá. So 10 years old, ọmọ ọdún mẹ́wàá. 20 years, ogún ọdún. 20 years old, ọmọ ogún ọdún. 30 years, ọgbọ̀n ọdún, ọmọ ọgbọ̀n ọdún. 30 years old. 40 years, ogójì ọdún, ọmọ ogójì ọdún. That's 40 years. So like that. So don't worry, I'll make a video on numbers like 1 to 1 or so you can get it very well. So now is wakati. So if you want to say 1 hour, wakati kan. If you want to say 2 hours, wakati méjì. 3 hours, wakati mẹ́ta. 4 hours, wakati mẹ́rin. 5 hours, wakati márùn, and so like that. So if you want to say minutes, ìṣẹ́jú. Minutes is ìṣẹ́jú. So 2 minutes, ìṣẹ́jú méjì. 1 minute, ìṣẹ́jú kan. If you want to say an hour and 10 minutes, wákàtí kan àti ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́wàá. Don't worry, I'm thinking of making a video on how to tell the time. If you would like me to make a video on how to tell the time, like you want to tell the time in Yoruba, comment and I will do that. I'll work on that. But if you don't comment, I'll feel like there's no need for it. So if you want me to make a video on how to tell the time in Yoruba language, comment and I will surely work on that. So now, ìṣẹ́jú, minutes. So ọgbọ̀n ìṣẹ́jú, that's 30 minutes. Ọgbọ̀n ìṣẹ́jú, wákàtí kan àti ọgbọ̀n ìṣẹ́jú, an hour and 30 minutes. So seconds. But before we go to seconds, here's something. If you are still here, that means you are learning, you're having fun. So do not go without subscribing. If you are here, subscribe. Ensure you subscribe and then comment if you would like me to make videos on how to tell the time, and I will surely work on that. Thank you very much. So now the last one is ìṣẹ́jú àáyá. So seconds is ìṣẹ́jú àáyá. 1 second, ìṣẹ́jú àáyá kan. Ìṣẹ́jú àáyá ogún. Ìṣẹ́jú àáyá ọgbọ̀n. And so this is the end of this very video. Thank you very much for sticking to the very end. But then before we end it, I'm going to ask you just a quick question. 5 marks for each. It's an assignment. So what is 1 hour 30 minutes in Yoruba? 1 hour 30 minutes in Yoruba. What is July in Yoruba? How do you say first month in Yoruba? And lastly, how do you say 2 years in Yoruba? Thank you very much for watching to the very end. Do not forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, like, comment, let me know if you are enjoying my videos and all. Thank you very much. Bye bye. I love you.